I just woke up. Yeah. I don't remember, to be honest. I was in full aesthetic. Dizzy. But I will be fine. But I will be fine, Lydia. I just need little time, to be honest with you. But anyway, this is your dad sent you this message? Mm-hmm. Can you read it for me, because I cannot see very well after this. Okay. Thanks. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. How, how, how do you feel about this message, Lydia? Yes. Yes, yes. Okay. Mm-hmm. No. Mm-hmm. That's why, Lydia, we need to move to next steps, which means put complaints to other authorities, okay? Report them what they did, okay? And probably that will be Court of Probate also, okay? But this application to court will be not expensive. I will see if you are able to get it for free because of universal credit. I need to check that, okay? And we will have to get probably solicitor, no win, no fee. Okay, this one, because you will be not able to go by yourself and represent yourself. How do you think? Yeah, not yet. This is not the time. Exactly. Mm-hmm. Exactly. So probably. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's why we will have to find solicitor, no win, no fee, okay, to deal with it. I will ask some of my friends if they have someone in your area as Mackenzie friend, okay? That will be cheaper, okay? That might be not the real solicitor, but the people I know, they fucking hate corruption, okay? So I will ask one of my friends to see, because there is no point to more text to your mother and auntie. Yeah? We email we will send to them is letter before court. Okay? And then we have to inform court and the rest of the authorities, also with HMRC, okay? We will inform everyone. They will be not able to produce documents. And also in this message, yeah, she write about Simon, which means this is the right Simon, Lydia. This is the right Simon, what we were sending messages. Because he contacted her and she claimed that this is family solicitor, yeah. So he also will have trouble. But it's not your problem, Lydia. You need to realize that. This is what you have to do, because your mental stage will not get normal and balance until you will not get chance to be with your son and start to build up your life as normal person. Far away from these people, Lydia. When you will get healthy, you will see what you want to do. If you want to have contact, if you want to have contact on your rules, the way you allowing them with your boundaries, not what they're doing now. This is like generational family manipulation, cult. I don't know how to even explain them. It is, and everyone can see it, Lydia. I see this clearly. The way they even text you those messages, you know. For you is very important to get access to founding trust. Because if they will sell everything, then you will not get anything. It's very important because you can secure your future and your son's future, Lydia. Mm. No, Lydia. Lydia, it means you will have to force yourself to be with that type of man. You will be not happy in the end. Money is not happiness. You've got a chance to secure your life and life of your son, to get information and access to family founding trust. They fear of this information like fire. Maybe there is more money plus money from your granddad, and they are hiding this. You don't know, Lydia, until you will not get access to the trust, you will not find out. And this is your legal right. That's why our strategy is to remove executors, your mom, your auntie, and possibly your uncle from this decision making, okay? Because they are already made misconduct. They lied to you. They mislead you. There is many things what they did against you, Lydia. That time, Lydia, 1 year ago, if you've got this money, you could get solicitor and your child would be with you because you've got evidence for wrongdoing. Okay? Everything is connected, like I told you when I meet you. Everything is connected together. You need to be now smart and strategic. because if you will do in the right way, you will be secure. You will not have to work 8 hours a day, Lydia, because you've got founding family trust. You will be not able to work for few years. With your condition, your brain needs time to relax and balance. Yes. Still, yeah. You I didn't sleep last night too. I didn't sleep last night too at all. I know how it is. And I am 2 years after finish my court hearing and I cannot sleep. I'm still fighting. Mm. I know I've got always these problems as well with appointments. And listen, last night I sent you on TikTok again this black man with NHS, yeah? He have man who is helping people who been injured in NHS. There is his name. He talk about him already state target him. But if you contact with this black man and ask for the other man email or the way of contact to him, then you can pass it on to me and I will explain him what happened to you and ask him for advice or the road we should take to protect your situation. Okay, maybe he will advise us. And this black man is telling that he helped many hundreds of people. Okay, this contact will be very useful for us. Yes, yes. Yeah, he's very smart, Lydia. He he lost two children, one died and one social service still because he wanted to get to the bottom what they did. So they what traumatized his family even more and still his child. With hoping that his brain will be so much damaged that he will stop fighting, but he's warrior, he's fighting. He's building contacts. He's got contact list with people who can help me and you to manage your case. It's very important. That's why I told you, Lydia, we need to have a backup of whistleblowers, people who've been in this situation, because I can write documents for you, yeah, but always is have few brains to think. Mhm. For example, hi, I am watching you on TikTok for quite long time. My friends who is helping me with my situation sent your link to me, and I see your last video regarding the contact. I don't remember his name, Willie or something like this, to the gentleman who is helping people advocate for them regarding NHS injuries. Yeah. Is there any chance you could ask this man if you can pass his personal details to me, and my friend who is helping me will contact with him and explain my situation, what happened to me, because I am with severe PTSD, and for me it's hard to do anything at that moment, because of what happened to me. For example, something like this. We, we can fight it. We can fight this, Lydia. We need Lydia. We need. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yes, Lydia. That Yes, yes, Lydia. Yes, that's why it's better for you to not walk to this women's group. They don't give you anything, but start to look for groups. They are having groups. They meet in groups of whistleblowers regarding the subject we're trying to cover. No, not yet, darling. Thank you. You see, they are misleading you. They are pushing you to the road, so you will be all the time lost. You need to step out. You cannot be around people who will not help you in your situation. If you talk all the time about what happened to you, you're trapping your mind, Lydia. You're trapping your mind. Your mind needs to rest from this situation. You cannot talk over and over what they did to you because you will never go out. Of course, this is trap. They will not do this. Because they've got shut up their mouth, Lydia. This is cult. It's cult. The inside NHS, they also some of them are forced to do bad because they